Okay, I've assembled all the ingredients. The ground beef. This is minced ginger and garlic, chopped nava cabbage. I'll be putting in the sesame seed later, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar. So let's go ahead and get this camera set up for filming. Okay, I'm heating up the pan until it gets to high heat. Then I'm going to add. I'm halving the recipe because I'm basically just trying to use up the leftovers. Approximately a half tablespoon of sesame oil is going to be going in here. Approximately, what did I do with it? Let's see if I can get it. Alright. I'm going to try to not knock over this camera. I'm filming with a bob lob. It's quite a challenge, let me tell you. Okay, so we'll do about a half tablespoon of sesame oil. That'll work. Well, I'm having the recipe, you know. Okay. Alright. I'm going to omit the spicy part, the sambal oelek. I don't care for that. I'm just going to heat up the garlic and the ginger. Okay, there. All right. Heat until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, the next thing we're going to do now is add the ground beef along with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Pinch of salt and pepper. And I forgot to get the salt and pepper. Let's see if I can get it. I'm basically using up leftovers, right? That's good. You don't need too much because we're putting in soy sauce later, and I don't like it too salty, alright? So I am using low sodium soy sauce, but still. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to lower the heat. Seems like it's a little hot, so trying to film with a bob lob is quite a challenge, I'm telling you. You should see what I'm doing to make this thing work. Let's see if we can go this way. All right, yeah. Yeah, this is kind of like an Asian American concoction here. Okay. I do a lot of stuff like that. All right, it's just a great way to use up leftovers. I made some like dim sum or gyoza, and I had some leftover stuff I had to use. Okay, so we're gonna stir this around until the beef is browned, about 6 to 8 minutes. Put the heat up just a bit. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got now. That's good enough. Add the chopped cabbage to the wok. Yeah, this is my wok. Along with a little bit of sugar. Allergies, but about a half teaspoon of sugar. That'll work. There we go. Okay. And more salt. I'm not going to put any more salt and pepper in there. Okay, now we're going to put in some rice vinegar. That's going to be about 1/8 of a cup of rice vinegar. Because I'm 1/8 of a cup, that's going to be. Eighth of a cup of rice vinegar. There we go. And we're going to add in some soy sauce, about 1/8 of a cup. Low sodium soy sauce. That's good enough. I don't like my food too salty. That's good. Alright. That'll work. Okay. And what else to put in there? And water. About 1/4 of a cup of water. Get my bread water here. You can tell this was a last minute decision to make this. Okay, let's get about 1/4 of a cup of bread water. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, let's turn the heat up a bit. Okay. So we got water. Okay, so we're going to stir well, then saute until the cabbage is softened, about 3 to 4 minutes. put the heat back up. That water was cold Brita water from my refrigerator, so it's taken it a while to heat back up again. About 3 to 4 minutes, okay. Yeah, I'm using leftovers here because I used some napa and some ground beef to make some gyoza, my mother's recipe, and I've already posted that on this cooking channel. And this is a great way to use up leftovers. Though I'm omitting the sambal oelek because I don't like spice. I like it to be a little bit milder. Okay, the temperature is going. Let's see what else we do here. So what I'm going to do right now is toss in some minced scallions as a garnish. Let me see, I've got. Hold on. Thought I had some. Could have swore I had some. Yeah, I do right here. Okay, I'm going to throw in some minced scallions as a garnish and some sesame seed oil. Alright, let's throw in some of that. These are frozen green onions that I made. Yeah, this will work. Okay. Not sesame seed oil, some sesame seeds. Okay. I bought these at the Asian store. A little bit of that. Yeah. That's toasted sesame seeds. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off now. It's been about 3 minutes. So now it looks like it is done. You know what? Let's boil off some more of this water here. Yeah. You pretty much want to keep it on high heat. This is like typical Asian stir fry. Okay. And then you would want to eat this with like rice, or like the Asian soft rice. Or I'm going to have it with my leftover brown rice, but it would probably be better with the Asian soft rice. The short grain rice. I just don't happen to have that on hand right now. This would be perfect. Though I could make some. Let's see, what am I going to be making tomorrow? Nah, I'll just use the rice that I have. Okay, let's go ahead and try it out. If you want, you can add like sambal oelek, which is like an Asian hot spice, but I didn't want that. Let's get a good look on this. That's what it looks like. Okay. Okay, let's try it out. Here's what it looks like. Let me get some more light in here. Right there. Okay, let's try. A little salty. Might be the vinegar. Let me think. It could be the vinegar. Makes it just seem salty, but I think, I'm going to modify the recipe. I'm going to cut the soy sauce and omit the salt. Don't put any salt in this. It's not bad though, but the recipe that I'm going to give you will be better. It's not bad though. If you mix it with the rice, it kind of dilutes the salt. But I think I'm going to cut the soy sauce in half. Yeah, too much salt. So if you mix it with rice, not too bad. But I've noticed some sour tasting foods though tend to taste more salty than they are. You know what? I think that vinegar's got salt in it. Yeah. I'm gonna cut the salt. Other than the salt though, it's not bad. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely has an Asian taste to it. Okay, it's good, just needs less salt. That'll be an easy fix. I'll fix the recipe. Less salt, it'll be perfect.
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking free.